Departing from Dearne Estate is the Lighthouses of Biscayne Bay cruise on the Pelican Skipper. This family-friendly cruise is only available on select dates, so check out dearnestate.org for an upcoming schedule. Just got to the Pelican Skipper. We're ready to start this tour. We're going to cruise through Biscayne National Park, passing through Stiltsville and visiting 3 lighthouses, the Cape Florida, Fowey Rocks, and the Boca Chita, where we actually get off the boat and climb. The Pelican Skipper is a comfortable riding 45-foot Corinthian catamaran, and its twin-hull design makes it a very stable vessel, suitable for passengers of all ages. Our first lighthouse is dead center in front of the boat, the Cape Florida Lighthouse. It's the one that's at the end of Key Biscayne. The Cape Florida Lighthouse was built in 1825 and stands nearly 100 feet tall. The lighthouse operated without interruptions until 1878, when it was replaced by the Fowey Rocks Lighthouse, the second lighthouse you see on the Lighthouses of Key Biscayne cruise. Fowey Rocks Lighthouse is made from cast iron and rises 110 feet above the water.
Money shot, guys, with Fowey Rocks with the city of Miami in the background.
Alright, this is the second of the lighthouses. This one's in the middle of the water like you see behind me. There's a lot of activity, a lot of people boating, swimming, diving.
Yeah, so here's the 3 lighthouses, and then we're going to wind up back at Dearne Estate. So it's a bit like a diamond.
I'm with
Elizabeth Strom.
And how many times you do the tour?
We do the tour once a month. We started our very first one in July of this year, and we're hoping to continue at least in the summer months.
Alright, just got to Boca Chita, and we're going to go see the Boca Chita Lighthouse. The boat will dock at Boca Chita Key so everyone can get off, stretch their legs, and see the lighthouse. Then it's only a short walk along the water path to get there. We're at the Boca Chita Lighthouse. We're going to go up, take a quick tour of it, get back on the boat, and head back. All right, we're headed up the lighthouse. All right, we're on the top of the Boca Chita Lighthouse. It's only like, I don't know, 3-4 flights of stairs, not too bad, pretty narrow, but you can't lean on this rail because they're doing some repairs. But you get a nice overlook of Boca Chita Key. Is the tour more enjoyable, obviously, not in the summer months, or?
Actually, the summer is a great time to do it. While it's really hot, as long as you dress appropriately, that's when the wind is down, and that's when you really get to enjoy all 3 lighthouses without having to worry about the waves being up or getting too cold. So we prefer it in the summertime, actually.
All right, and is there any other tours that you guide?
That I guide, no. This is the only one I'm doing so far, but we have a partner organization, the Institute, and we work very closely with them, and they guide a lot of our tours as well. So they do some snorkeling, they do sailing trips, they do paddling trips down to Jones Lagoon, and they also help rent canoes and kayaks.
All right, thank you. That was an excellent tour.
Thank you very much. I enjoyed it as well.
Got done taking the Biscayne National Park Lighthouse tour. It was a 4-hour trip, but it went pretty fast, and it was just the appropriate time. And one of the cool things is you got to stop at one of the lighthouses and get off and climb up and see where you're at, but it went pretty fast. And one note here is that you can bring your own beer. They don't have a problem. Just make sure it's like in a can. This trip was awesome. If you haven't taken it, I suggest taking it. This concludes the Lighthouses of Biscayne Bay cruise.